Come test drive the 2017 Chevrolet Camaro. Camaro was developed to be 21st century on every level, from its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, remote engine start, power passenger seat, stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, floor mats, cruise control, keyless start, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, climate control, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.